Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to burn fat by exercise. First, it's crucial to understand that fat loss fundamentally relies on creating a consistent calorie deficit. This means consuming fewer calories than your body expends. Exercise plays a vital role in increasing that expenditure. We'll explore how to effectively combine both cardiovascular and strength training to maximize your results, aiming for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity each week. For effective fat burning, incorporate regular cardiovascular exercise into your routine. Aim for moderate intensity sessions lasting 30 to 60 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week. Activities like brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming are excellent choices. Additionally, consider adding high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, for 20 to 30 minutes 2 times a week, as it can significantly boost your metabolism and continue burning calories post-workout. Strength training is a powerful tool for fat loss, often overlooked. Building muscle mass is key because muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue. This means a higher resting metabolic rate, helping you burn more fat even when you're not exercising. Aim for 2 to 3 full-body strength training sessions per week, focusing on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and presses to engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. To truly succeed in your fat loss journey, consistency and recovery are absolutely paramount. Sticking to your exercise routine and healthy eating habits over the long term yields the best results. Don't forget the importance of rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This allows your muscles to repair and grow, and your body to recover, preventing burnout and ensuring sustainable progress towards your fat loss goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.